Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for KEAM. First, thoroughly understand the KEAM chemistry syllabus, paying close attention to all topics. Next, ensure you master the fundamental concepts from your classes 11 and 12 textbooks, as these form the bedrock. Finally, create a structured and realistic study timetable, allocating specific time slots for each chemistry topic to ensure consistent daily progress and coverage. To study effectively, practice numerical problems regularly. This helps improve your speed and accuracy, which is crucial for the exam. Dedicate time to solving previous year's question papers. This familiarizes you with the exam pattern and question types. Additionally, create concise, handwritten notes for quick revision of key formulas, reactions, and concepts. These personalized notes will be invaluable during your final review sessions. Consistent revision is key to retaining information. Regularly revisit all chapters to reinforce your memory and understanding. Actively identify your weaker chemistry topics and dedicate extra time to strengthen them through focused practice. Furthermore, take full-length mock tests under timed conditions. This simulates the actual exam environment, helping you manage your time effectively and reduce exam day anxiety, improving your overall performance. As the exam approaches, maintain a positive mindset and stay confident in your preparation. Briefly review important formulas, chemical reactions, and key concepts without trying to learn anything new. Most importantly, ensure you get adequate rest the night before the examination. A well-rested mind performs significantly better. Trust your hard work and approach the exam calmly, ready to demonstrate your knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.